So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add music to your video, or you can say background music. So how you can do it in this Inshots app. So you see this, I have the video here. Now I want to add audio to this video. So you see this icon, it's there, it's audio. You have to click on it. Now you see this music. Now you see this Inshot's app support this thing also. You can extract any audio from video also. So it's like you have any music video, and you can just click here and it will automatically extract the mp3 format. But I have this thing in mp3 format. I have this music, so I will click on it. You see this, I will just, you see this. Now it's done. You see this. Now for those users who want to use this as a background music, so what you can do is, you see this is the this track is for the main video file, and this track is for the music. So what you can do is, you can slow, you can just what we can say, you can just lower this volume. Or if you want to use this music, like if you want to use it as a song in your video, then you have to totally off it. And you see this. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.